So hello guys, how are you all? So in this video we are gonna learn HTML from starting till the end. So this is my first tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to cover the topics. What is HTML? The headers in HTML and indicating a word that is important and adding images. So first I will tell what is HTML. So HTML is a markup language used to make websites. So I will show you a website that I made from HTML. So this is the website I made from HTML. So in this website, what are the things I have written here? So first I have made a things here like home. This is the navigation bar. Then I have made two languages. You can learn two languages in the website, like you can learn Python and JavaScript. Then you can go back. Then you can go to about, then about coding, and all the information that you know about the coding you can learn here. And the topics are technology. So technology, definition of technology and how technology evolved. And the second is web development. So in this website you can, so I've just embedded the code of the YouTube videos, so you can learn the full web development in this website, and at the end you can learn full web development. So this was my website. So let's quickly go to our normal basics of HTML. So in HTML, the basic things are the codes. So the first code we are writing here, HTML, then head close. So whenever you open a bracket like this, we have to close a bracket like a slash. So you have to always put a slash after every starting of that code. So this is head. So in the head, it will come title. Sorry. Title. Title close. Then is body. So anything we write into the body, the output will come that we written in a body. So always know that in the body all the matter comes, that what is in the website and all that. So open the body and then we close the body. So so every time remember that whenever you close like arguments, you have to close that argument. When you open, then just remember that we have to close that. So then we have to write HTML close. So I will write title like basics of Python, basics. Sorry, of HTML. Sorry guys, I'm saying Python. Okay, now everything I will write into the body, because body is like a stomach. It takes the arguments in the body. So so our first topic is writing headers. So what are headers? Headers are just only to write the title of the thing that you are writing. So if I write H1 and say like why to learn coding. So I will just close the H1 tab, then I will run it. See, why to learn coding has come here. So I will just copy paste the code, and you only tell what is the difference between that. So H1 is a size of the header. So 1 is the size of the header. So I will just control V. I will just change the size of the header like H2. See, the font of the size is less now, because 1, 2 are the sizes of the headers. So I think that you all understood about the headers. Like, see, I every time in HTML, like you can take the first letter of the code. Like, see, I have written your header. See, okay. See, I have written your header. See, header means I have taken the first word of header, so it becomes H1. So this is the concept of headers. So I think you understood the concept of headers. Now the next topic is paragraphs. Now how to make paragraphs in HTML. So for the paragraph, I will take the first letter. So always remember, we should take the first letter of the thing that you are writing here. So P. So paragraph. So why to learn coding? So I can write here coding makes man sorry coding im- improves problem solving. So this is a paragraph. See, many of the people do not take the paragraph because in the paragraph the font is very low. So another than paragraph, I will write H3. So because many of the people take H3 for the paragraph, so I will take H3. Okay, now it is looking nice, but for this lesson I will take P because this topic is for paragraphs. So I will take P only here. So now our next topic is making a word to indicating a word. Okay. So in this whole sentence, we should indicate a word that indicate the like whenever we are writing a thing, it has a subject to it. So I will see now the subject I will take in this sentence like problem solving. So I will just indicate that word. The word is very important. So I will write B. B is for bold. Bold. Sorry, bold. So be close. Now see what will happen. So okay, yeah, the both words are styled properly. So this is indicating a word that is important for the whole thing. So this is the header and the paragraph concepts. So I think you understand the paragraphs, the headers, and styling are two words. See, there are various code for style these things. So I will just open my note. This is my notepad. Now what we learned in headers and what is HTML. So what is HTML? I will write here. So HTML is a markup language to make websites. Now, second, we learned about headers. Now, headers, I will not explain the headers, like I will not write the explanation because headers mean the title of the subject that we are reading. Like headers, I will write the code only, like H1, H2, and then what we learned is paragraphs. So, para, I will write para. So, like P close. Now, second, we learned about indicating a word. So there are many codes to that. So I will write B because we learned B. So styling a particular word is equals to first we write B. B close. Then is strong. This close the strong. Then is Italian word form. So these are the three basic styling indicating a word so that the word becomes important for the whole sentence. So the next concept we will learn is adding images in a website. So first we will open my REPL and I will just add a image here. So upload file. Just click on the three dots. Now we go to downloads. Let's say which I have. Anything you can just okay. Let's say code. So what is this image? Yeah, this is the image. Okay. So whatever the image we are selected here, we can add the image in a website. So image source so what is the name of the image? So this is code. So all will come in the parentheses. Code.jpg. So you can change the height of it like 400 and width equals to 500. Now see what will happen. The image will be now stored in the website. See. So I will teach you one more thing. This is the extra thing I'm teaching you to how to add the background color. See, when I put in the next website, see the whole website is looking so ugly. So we will add the background color to the website. So I will write body BG color. So I have, see, if you write UR, it will not take. I also don't know why it's not taking it. So BG color. So COLOR. So don't forget that. So BG color is, let's say, orange. And we can also change, sorry, and we can also change the text color. Text is equals to red. Sorry, we will take yellow. Okay, now see what will happen. See the whole, this is now looking good. This is looking very good in our website. So thank you for watching this video. This was the basics of HTML. In the next video I will teach you many more things about HTML. So please like, share and comment in my video, and in the comment section please tell me what improvement should I do in my website. So thank you guys.